Good morning. Today we'll see about the tungsten material. We are discussing conducting materials and high resistive conducting materials, medium resistive conducting materials. And in last sessions we have finished nickel, chromium, alloy, nichrome. We have discussed. Today we'll start with the tungsten. So tungsten meaning, what is the meaning of tungsten? It is a Swedish word. Tungsten is a Swedish word and meaning is heavy stone. Like Constantan, I told you the meaning of Constantan. So tungsten means heavy stone. It's a very hard material and heavy silver gray rare material. So you can just see the color of tungsten. I will just show you. See the color of tungsten. So it is silvery gray color. So this is the in basic form. And then you can use tungsten. You can just see for filaments or tungsten rods. So color of tungsten is silver gray color and it's a rare metal with the highest melting point. Tungsten means is a heavy stone, and as it is a heavy stone, melting point will be very high, and it has relatively large electric resistance. Because you just see, meaning with heavy stone, you can understand heavy stone means it will be melting at highest temperature, and then resistance will be also high. And it's a metal, so it is used for heaters and reflectors in furnaces exceeding 2000 degrees Celsius. We have also seen nichrome, and we have also discussed that nichrome is used also in a heating coil. Like I told you, your iron or simple heaters, gas geysers, or electric press. But this tungsten is also used as heater, but it will be for at higher temperature. So in another, you can just see industrial heaters and the reflectors in furnaces exceeding even 2000 degree. If it is special tungsten, then it can also use for exceeding 2000 degrees Celsius. It become a hard alloy when mixed with carbon. So you can just add carbon in the tungsten and then it will become a very hard alloy. So cemented carbide combined with cobalt is also used for high grade cutting tools. I have just shown you the picture of cutting tools. So tungsten, when it is used with the carbon, so cemented carbide combined with cobalt, it will be used for high grade cutting tools, because you know carbon is also very hard. So you can use it for cutting tools. In addition, tungsten with extremely low environmental effect has a very high resistance, shielding capability. So, shielding capability means what? Heat will not be radiated, or whatever you are just considering, it will be not passed to the outside. So, shielding means intact, protected. Compared to the lead, it is also widely used as radiation shielding material. So suppose you are keeping heater, or suppose the heater is there on my table and I will make the heater on. So that heater will radiate the heat through the air. A heater will radiate the heat through the air and it will also conduct heat through the metal. Okay, you know the conduction and convections and radiation. So when heater will radiate the heat, then it will be spread surrounding to the heater. So it is widely used for radiation shielding material. So that radiation, whatever is coming from the heater, it should not go beyond certain space. It has to shield from certain area. It should not go outside that area. So this is used for the shielding. Medical fields such as X-ray. You know, X-ray are so dangerous. So shielding X-rays are also very important. Okay, so that for that purpose also tungsten is used. Tungsten does not seem familiar to us in our daily life, but it is closely related to our lives for its industrial and medical uses. Because as it is a very hard material having very high temperature withstand capability, it is basically used for industrial and medical applications, not in our daily purpose. So what are the properties of tungsten? So just now I told you the color of tungsten is grayish in color when metallic form, because I show you just basic. So it is grayish in color. So you can just see how it will turn if you will make like some tools or some rods or such coils. It will look like silvery, but basically it is grayish in color. It has very high melting point. It's very hard material and does not become brittle in high temperature. Because see, even if resistance is very high, even if melting point is very high, when such a materials will be heated, that should withstand that high heat. It should not melt down, break down. Tensile strength should be very good. So this is not brittle and this is very hard. That is very peculiar characteristics of tungsten. Even if melting point is high, even if it is very high resistive, it is also a very tough material. It will not brittle even at high temperature, because high temperature will make it soft, but still that will not brittle it, okay, like aluminium. So tungsten can be drawn into very thin wires for making filaments. I have just shown you the lamp, and for the lamp filament it should be very thin. And you just imagine a certain material, if you have handle wires, that wire will not bend. Whatever wires you want to turn or connect, that will not bend, flexibility will be very less. So if you want to wound the wires, flexible wires are used, very thin wires are used. So material should be flexible, and this characteristic is that for tungsten. So you can draw that tungsten into small thin wires like this. So this characteristic is very important. That is also called as ductility. I have explained you. So tungsten is having good ductility. It can be drawn into very thin wires for making filaments. Its resistivity is twice that of aluminium. See, resistivity is very good, but as it is a metal, it is conducting material, but a high resistive conducting material. In its thinnest form, it has very high tensile strength. I have just shown you filament, and just see the tensile strength of that small thin wire is also very good. It oxidizes very quickly in presence of oxygen, even at temperature of a few hundred degrees centigrades. So oxidation is quickly in atmosphere of an inert gas like nitrogen and argon. In vacuum, it will reliably work up to 2000 degrees Celsius. So in lamp filament, even if gas will be filled, inert gases, still it will work at very high temperature. So this point is just double. It is an excellent magnetic materials. Tungsten is magnetic materials. Specific weight is 20 gram per centimeter cube. And I had told you in comparison in assignment, particularly you focus on this numerical data. So find out. You will see in my video. Use the video. You will just see all the numerical data. So use that first. You can just start with the numerical data. So specific weight you can compare. So it's very good, 20 gram per centimeter cube. Boiling point, see, so highest boiling point. About 6000 you can just say, 5900. Thermal coefficient of expansion is 4.4%, 10 raised to minus 9 per degree. Resistivity is minus 0.055 ohm mm square per meter. Temperature coefficient of resistance alpha is 0.005, and density is 19.3 gram per. So density is also very high. So tungsten, you can just see it's a very good material which is being popularly used in industrial applications, industrial electrical applications, and in household, in lamp. But now we are not using this lamp. Okay, now they are just obsolete. But we can say that is only the lamp which we can use it. So it is used for filaments of electric lamps and as heater in electronic tubes. So heater, but not our household heaters. Okay, for industrial heaters for high temperature. It is also used in thermionic walls, radars, grids of electronic walls, sparking and contact points. And it is commonly used as filaments in incandescent lamps, which is constituent in magnets and high speed steels. So as tungsten is a magnetic material, you can use that in magnetic material or constitutions of the magnetic material and high speed steels. Okay, just Let us see this video. So just I'm using video for visualization and just breaking the link. It is shown this experiment is dangerous, so you cannot repeat this. Okay. Tungsten is having very high tensile strength. That's why it is used in filament. If it would have been very less strength, your filament would have break immediately while moving or handling. But it is a tough and tensile strength is also good. So that is the important property why it is used in filament. Generally, questions will be asked like this: why it is used in this? So you must know particular one or two properties why that material made to use in that device. And if such a oxidation is formed, it will just increase the resistance. Okay. So if you are using it, suppose contact and that, then it will just destroy its means characteristics, whatever resistance is there. Resistance voltage drop will increase. So oxidation is sometime preferable, but sometime it's not preferable. But such applications you should not write down, okay? Because we are discussing all these materials from electrical engineering point of view. So I mind you, don't include the applications which are not from electrical applications, okay? So that point you will remember. Otherwise, you will not get marks if you'll include all such a points. Okay, so that's about the tungsten. So copper tungsten is suitable for all immersed motor starters, vacuum engineering, heaters, springs, catches, X-rays. They operate under very severe, not way, arcing is not there because see they operate under not severe arcing means what arcing will not produce if you are using tungsten for the contacts or heaters or wherever applications it is they are used up to 200 volt AC and DC up to 15 ampere and typical applications are battery ignition system magneto ignition systems vibrators electric razors automotive horn contacts etc. Okay, so here it is showing the tungsten applications automobile, but this is not electrical. Office equipment, not electrical. Machine furnace, okay. Electric furnaces, electric machines you can add. Home appliances, lighting, yes, electrical. So discharge lamp, magnetron parts, heat sinks for LED. Medical, no. Medical is not electrical applications. Carbide diamond tool, tungsten powder, tungsten carbide powder, double carbon nitride. Electric and electronic will be preferred. Yesterday, one student came and he said, you just gave me 6 marks for the project. And I just asked him, and that project is not related to electrical. While selecting paper projects, I told you it should be based on material science. Paper also material science because we are looking all these activities for material science course. So it's related to material science. And I told you while presenting your project, you should talk about the material also, characteristics also, applications also, but nobody has included material characteristics and applications also. So whoever are left out, just consider this point. And then your reflections, your feelings, that also you missed it. Okay, that is very important point. If you will include such a points in presentation, impact will be very good. Okay, it's very important. So always go on including your reflections, what you feel about that, and see the impact of that. So that is very rare point in the presentation, but will make audience very impressed about you. So never forget the points which I am telling you, which can give you scoring, okay, and also your influence. So the students whose project presentation is remaining, you include the material properties and characteristics also, okay.